If you do something wrong, you can actually, guys, burn the electronics on your car, or you can lose your fingers. Make sure to stay with us and we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a dot charger. If you guys have a dot charger and you want to see how to remove, replace radiator fan resistor, step by step what to do, why it's very important to disconnect the car battery, and common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. And if that radiator fan resistor is bad, you actually risk overheating your car, and that may end up needing a new engine or the engine rebuild. So let's explain how to do it now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that dot charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your dot charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge, even though we have the 3.6 engine, that's very popular on Dodge Charger. If you have a V8, procedure is about the same as well, guys, so it will work for both of them, I believe. Now if you come right here, you can see on the front side, that's our radiator fan right there. And if you pay attention, okay, that connector right here, there is only there is 4 wires coming in and 2 coming out. Those 2 go directly to the fan motor, so that's practically positive and negative wire. But these 4 wires, guys, okay, go to the resistor. The resistor will change the voltage going to the fan, okay, practically to the fan motor, okay. It will detect, okay, if we have enough heat in the radiator, it will turn it on. So it's very important, guys. Without the resistor, okay, you can actually overheat your car. Now what do we have here specifically? How do we remove and disconnect that radiator fan resistor? We have a special video on the channel that explains what the radiator fan resistor does, what it's for. You will need to disconnect the car battery, because you'll be working there close to the fan. If that fan turns on, you can lose your fingers. But on these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect. If you do it the wrong way, you can actually burn the electronics, computers, modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. So it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first and you reconnect first. We will try to put the link in the description of the video below that will talk all about that. With that being said, what we have here, that's the connector, guys. That connector right here, now you first grab it and push it in to release the pressure, then press down here, okay, and when you press down, we try again. Okay, it comes out. It will be really tight, guys, really tight. Now right there we need a 10mm socket. You can see that socket will help us remove that bolt there. So that's what we are doing next. Okay, perfect. Screw, it's coming out. Then right here, if we come, we need to disconnect that wires from the motor all the way down there. So we're going to pull to the side, to the outside, and disconnect that one. Come around here, pull it out. That resistor now comes out in an angle. One side comes out first, then the other side. Okay, I think all both at the same time. And this is the radiator fan resistor. If you need to buy a new replacement one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.